This is MIF007. They say, where do you expect the crash to happen? This year, next year, after midterm elections, do you expect XRP to also crash or take off? I think XRP will move in the opposite direction of everything else. I think they'll roll liquidity into XRP through the ETFs while everything else is burning. And I think people will lose their minds. I don't think they're going to understand what's going on while XRP is rising and everything else is crashing. Now, is there a small period of time where XRP, goes down with the rest of the market before it does rise very quickly? Possible. Am I going to play with that fire? Nope. I'm just going to be sitting pretty in position in a cold on the XRP, kicking back, relaxing, knowing that I'm in a winning spot. And then after all the dust settles, I'll figure out what the opportunities are, and then we'll start deploying capital on those. But everything else is, if the reverse carry trade unwinds the way that I believe it's going to be 50% drawdown across all markets. It's going to be very ugly. But you want that too. And the reason you want that is the cost of living and everything's so high. Imagine if real estate crashed by 50%. A lot of people that have levered up and bought a lot of real estate would be upset by that, but it'd be really affordable. People would be able to buy it. There would be a lot of opportunity for people that had cash or liquidity in that situation to pick up some deals. And old Uncle Warren knows what's up. He's got $400 billion sat over there in treasuries and cash equivalents and cash in order to be able to pounce when the time's right and the reverse carry trade does unwind. So, I just watch what the big players do. There's a lot of people out there that talk their book. I watch the actions they're taking. That's how you can tell what's really going on, because there's a lot of people that will talk their book and tell you one thing and do something else. We've seen lots of people do that in crypto for an extended period of time, including Jamie Dimon and Chase. They were saying Bitcoin was bad the whole time, yet they were buying it over the counter, setting up their OTC desk, building their infrastructure for blockchain and Ethereum, building Onyx, come on.